Good morning students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to his English environment. In our last episode, we have gained a basic idea about time and tense. And now, let's discuss about present simple form and the use of present simple. Remember students, actually present simple refers to all the times. For example, Mr. Das teaches the students. It refers to Mr. Das taught the students in the past. Mr. Das is teaching the students now and he will teach the students in the future. Now let's move to the form of the simple present. We make the simple present tense with the base form of the verb like go, talk, work, see, etc. I have given a table here. Here the affirmative form is I work. The negative, I do not work or I don't work. Interrogative, do I work? And the negative interrogative is don't I work or do I not work? In a third person, he works. Negative is he doesn't work or he does not work. Interrogative is does he work? And the negative interrogative is doesn't he work or does he not work? Remember students, if the subject is first person, second person or third person plural, we use the base form of the verb like go, run, play, etc. But if it is third person singular, s or es is added to the verb like play, plays, get, gets. But if the verb ends with ss, sh, ch, x or o, we add es like miss, misses, rush, rushes, watch, watches, go, goes, mix, mixes. If the verb ends with y following a consonant, we change y into I and add es. For example, cry, cries, carry, carries, copy, copies, study, studies, etc. But if the verb ends with a y, but there is a vowel before it, we add only s like obey, obeys, pay, pays, say, says, pray, prays, etc. Now let's move to the use of simple present. First, we use simple present to express the habitual action of the present. For example, my mother gets up early, dogs bark at night, it rains heavily in July, we don't go to school on Sunday, does she go to temple every Monday? Now come to the second use. We may discuss it in 5 categories. First, to express the general truth, we use simple present. They may be geographical truth, philosophical truth, or the law of nature. For example, the sun rises in the east, the Ganga rises in the Himalayas, truth is stronger than vice, etc. Second, we use present simple to express the scientific truth. To achieve the truth, we have to create a scientific environment. Or in a specific scientific environment only, we get the truth. For example, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade, oil floats on water, hydrogen is lighter than air, etc. Third, to express the mathematical truth, we use present simple. For example, 2 and 2 makes 4. What is the square root of 4? 10 minus 3 is 7, etc. Fourth, we use simple present in proverbs For example, time and tide wait for no man. A stitch in time saves 9. Slow and steady wins the race. Now the fifth use. Present simple is also used in riddles. For example, what flies but has no wings? What catches fish but doesn't eat? Now come to the next use of present simple. We use present simple to know or express the person's name, address, profession, etc. For example, what is your name? I came from a village. What is your father? Mr. Das is a teacher, etc. Next, we use present simple to describe present state. For example, father is in good health. She is 60 years old. The baby is asleep. I thank you for your help, etc. Now come to the next important point. We use present simple to express the static verbs or non-progressive verbs. We can divide the non-progressive verbs into 6 categories. They are first, verb of senses like see, hear, taste, feel and smell. For example, I see a man at the gate. I hear a noise on the street. Honey tastes sweet. The road smells nice. I feel cold, etc. Second, the verb of thinking like believe, know, remember, think, forget, imagine, etc. For example, he doesn't believe me. She forgets my name. I think he is right. Do you imagine how great your parents are? Now third, the verb of feeling like love, hate, like, dislike, mind, prefer, etc. Take some sentence for example. Every mother loves her child. What do you like to eat? Mr. Das prefers tea to coffee. I don't mind what people say about me. Now the fourth, the verbs of mental activity like want, wish, desire, need, agree, etc. For example, he needs ₹100 to buy a book. I want to do something extraordinary. He doesn't agree with me, etc. Fifth, the verb of possession like belong, consist of, contain, hold, own, owe, etc. For example, this book belongs to me. Our English book consists of 40 pages. Mr. Mishra owns a large building. We owe to our parents very much. Now sixth, the reporting verbs like say, tell, ask, answer, etc. For example, what does the report say? The red light tells us that we must stop. Last, some verbs like appear, seem, resemble, look, cost, weigh, etc. are usually expressed in present simple. For example, he looks tired. The girl resembles her mother. How much does the book cost? Etc. While discussing about present progressive form, we shall discuss how these verbs can also be used in present progressive. Now come to the next point. We use simple present with the adverb like always, usually, normally, occasionally, hardly, sometimes, often, never, etc. For example, I usually clean my uniform on Sunday. He always speaks the truth. We never go to school on Sunday. My father hardly goes to the cinema. Now come to the next use of present simple. We use present simple for the running commentary like sports commentary, commentary of the magician, demonstration of scientific experiment, etc. Now take an example of the sports commentary. Kohli hammers the ball and sends it to all sides. He scores 50. Just like in a football match, Ajay passes the ball to Bimal and Bimal passes it to Sudeep and Sudeep heads the ball into the goal post. Now let's take an example of the magician commentary. Look, spectators, I take a handkerchief, I fold it, keep it on the table. What comes out of it? Look, a flock of bird comes out of it. Now come to the next use of present simple. We use present simple for the headlines of the news. For example, train accident claims 50 lives. 5 prisoners escape from jail. Peace talks between India and China fails. Next, we use present simple in exclamatory sentences beginning with adverbials like here, there, etc. For example, here comes the bus. There goes the bell. Next, present simple is used to express the open condition. For example, if you work hard, you will get 90% marks in the examination. If it rains, I will not go to school. How we can use the simple present to express future action has been explained in a separate episode. So students, in this way we completed the simple present. In our next episode we will come with the next chapter, that is the use of present progressive. If you want more, suggest me. It will help me for the betterment of my next video. See you next. Stay blessed.